Welcome to this demonstration on installing and configuring Serena Release Control. Before installing Release Control, make sure you have a complete and functional SPM installation. SPM installation is not covered in this video. If you have SPM ready, you can run the Release Control installer. The installer copies the files needed for the solution. This is just the beginning of the installation. At the end of the installer execution, click Configure, which opens the SPM configurator. The Release Control tab gives specific instructions, so be sure to follow these. If you haven't already, open the installation and configuration documentation. Click Apply to make sure the Release Control configuration is copied into SPM, and then close SPM configurator before promoting the snapshots. Next, open Application Repository to import the Release Control Solution file. Now you're ready to promote the snapshots. Follow alphabetical order except for the release package and release train. Release train must be imported before release package. Use the default promotion settings and verify that each promotion completes successfully. After promoting all the snapshots, open a command prompt and generate views. This is required for the deployment path implementation. After generating views, promote the release package again to resolve the report that uses the view. Now you're ready to log into Release Control. Pin the Release Control application group so it's available in the Work Center toolbar. There is still some configuration to do before using Release Control. In Application Administrator, add groups that match the predefined roles. Create the RLC Administrator group using the same name as the associated role. Make the administrative user a member of this group. Give the group a role in each of the Release Control projects. And finally, set the privileges that can't be set through the roles by default. For the administrative group, set all privileges for the RLC deployment log table. The Release Control solution installation and configuration is now complete. You're ready to create Release Control objects and add and configure the provider plugins. Thank you for watching this video. For full documentation, visit help.serena.com.